to preside over the meeting.
Thanks, Dr. Alona Patel, and I request you to do the needful on my behalf.
We will begin with the introduction of our guests by Professor Ashok Mohapatra from Department of English.
Esteemed audience, Sambalpur University feels honored by the presence of two luminaries, namely Professor Vinay Srivastava, Chief Guest of this function, and Professor Mahadev Prasad Jaiswal, Guest of Honor. They in fact need no introduction given the distinction they have achieved in their respective professional fields. However, I am under ceremonial obligation to say a few words about both of them, knowing full well that one could go on talking about their preeminence in volumes, but I shall be suitably brief. Professor Vinay Srivastava is currently Director, Anthropological Survey of India and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Institute of Asian Studies. He retired as Professor of Anthropology from the University of Delhi, having had a distinguished career. He also served as Principal of famous Hindu College of the University of Delhi. Professor Srivastava took his Masters from Hansraj College and the prestigious Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi, and MPhil from the Department of Chinese and Japanese Studies of the same university. He was Commonwealth Fellow at the University of Cambridge, from which he obtained his doctoral degree. Professor Srivastava specializes in comparative religion, caste and tribal system, anthropological theory and methods. He has taught courses in anthropological theory and methods, urban anthropology, medical anthropology, tribal and peasant studies. He has over 20 authored and edited books and about 130 research papers, reviews and book chapters to his credit. The other highlights of Professor Srivastava's illustrious career are the erudite academic lectures and deliberations and his membership in very important academic bodies of anthropology. Above all, he has the rare distinction of being a fellow of Cambridge Philosophical Society. We are beholden to you, sir, for your gracious presence. We have another very distinguished academic with us, Professor Mahadev Jaiswal, who is currently Director, Indian Institute of Management, Sambalpur, and also Professor of Information Systems. Prior to this, he was Professor and Dean at NDI, Gurgaon. His qualifications include PGPX and MIT Solon School of Management, United States, PhD in Computer Science from Delhi University, and Senior Fulbright Fellow from Carnegie Mellon University, the US. He has been visiting professor at IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Indore. His areas of research include innovation strategy for startups, digital innovation and platform ecosystem, social entrepreneurship, e-government, ERP and IT strategy. He has published more than 50 research papers and cases in international journals, and he is the author of 7 books in information system and business process management. He is member of several expert committees of government and industry, including Indian Railways, Indian Post, CII, Transparency International. He has been engaged as management consultant for several large organizations such as Coal India, Steel Authority of India, Power Grid Rural Electrification Corporation, NTPC SAIL, Asian Development Bank, Sivan Limited, Power Generation, Distribution, Transmission, Cochin International Airport. He was associated in developing capability maturity model for IT and ITTS at Carnegie Mellon University. And he was visiting professor at Rotterdam Business School, Netherlands during 2001 and 3. where he developed the e-business simulation game as part of European Union Federal Large Research Project. He drafted policy document on ICT strategy for Indian manufacturing competitiveness for DIIP, Government of India. He is member of Expert Committee on Modernization of Indian Railways, and he is also a member of CII Committee on Responsible Business Ethics. We are extremely grateful to you, sir, for being with us despite your very busy schedule. And back home, our Vice Chancellor, Professor Deepak Kumar Behra, is also a cultural anthropologist of eminence in India and the world over. The academic community of Sambalpur University, the peers in the nation and abroad, and the intelligentsia in general are familiar with his immense scholarship in the field of childhood studies. Well-read and well-travelled, he is held in great esteem not only as a fine scholar, but also an academic leader and a role model, particularly for his dynamism and charisma. So today's function owes its importance to the presence of these three renowned persons. And thank you very much, sirs, for your august presence here. And thank you once again.